Start filming. Start filming. Are you filming? I'm like brand new. Who is that? I've never seen that truck before. Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we are going to be putting these mirrors on that are already on, but I'm going to show you how we did it. So I'll see you 2 weeks ago. Let's get into it. You can see the previous Rockford 6x9 door speaker that we installed in the previous video. Go check that video out. That was super fun to make. All right, now we gotta take the mirror off. I took the door panel off and everything. We checked this mirror. I just plugged it in. It's literally plug and play. Except for this stuff you have to hardwire into the blinkers and everything, which is a process. So I'm not gonna do that today, but yeah, these little screws, you just gotta undo these and then that mirror pops off. They're 10 millimeters and 10 mils in case you're wondering. Here's the old one. It's not too much smaller than this one. It looks smaller when they're not on the truck, but it's not incredibly smaller. This one has been replaced before because a tree branch took it out like 10 years ago. That one is the original one. That one is a lot easier to take on and off, especially because somebody, I don't know who, it's been broken several times, but people keep breaking it, so I have to keep taking it apart and fixing it, so hopefully these don't break. Okay, so we had to screw these studs in here. The old ones have them, but I think they just came like that. I don't know, maybe they didn't. I just put some Loctite in here so they'd stay better. I just screwed them in there. You can use this little 532. You can use that. It fits perfectly over top of these. Now we gotta figure out how to get these on here because these things did not come with any instructions. So we had a bit of a mishap where this accidentally got rounded off because it's freaking cheap metal. I'm pretty sure it's aluminum. I have no idea. We got the mirror on. It looks good. These are the wires for the blinkers, which I'm not gonna do that today because it's gonna take forever and I don't really want to. So I'm just gonna leave these, like, just tuck them up somewhere in here and everything. They're plugged in. It works so far, I think. So it had this issue, I think. So in here there's screws, that plate, that's what you screw these into. It was popping. I think that's what this is, what this was doing. It was making a pop sound when I was tightening it too tight, so I stopped. But it's pretty on there, so hopefully it doesn't fly off down the road. They're on there tighter than I thought they would be. It seemed a little sketchy at first. But yeah, we got it done, so hopefully the other side is easier. So yeah. Alright, so now we just have to repeat that whole entire process for the other side, so hopefully it goes a little smoother because we should know what we're doing and what to expect now. But yeah, let's get this side done. I hope you guys liked the video. The mirrors, they look better and they don't just fold in because hopefully nobody breaks these. So yeah, they look good. I'll fold them up. Isaac's favorite thing. So yeah.
No, that's so bad.
Hope you like the video. They look great. You know, the lights are kind of crappy. I need to fix those, but these mirrors were very expensive. So hopefully they, you know, stay decent for a while. I need to wire them in. I don't know if I've said that throughout the video. They gotta be wired in, but they gotta be wired into the running lights and the blinkers, which is kind of a hefty job, and I don't know where the wiring is for the blinkers and or the running lights. So that'll be another job for another time, but we'll get into that another time. So I hope you liked the video. Go check out our merch. Go check out our Instagram in the description below and everything. So hope you liked the video. Peace. Start filming. Start filming. Are you filming? I'm like brand new. Who is that? I've never seen that truck before.